Check your strip drain levels and if necessary, use packers for adjustment. Using Ardex CA20P Plus, apply the adhesive directly to the shower base. Check level of strip drain for correct falls. Once you've completed the layout, remove the tiles in order of placement, ready for tile adhesive. Mix the Ardex X18 for 2 minutes. Apply the Ardex X18 to the floor and using a 10x10 notch trowel, spread the adhesive. Back butter tiles to ensure complete coverage, then press firmly onto the mortar bed. Slide the tile at right angles to the notch pattern, Tava method. Insert your spacing wedges as you lay each tile, then the levelling wedge. Remove any excess adhesive between the tiles before it hardens. Grouting and traffic may be allowed after 24 hours. Once the tile bed is cured, remove the levelling wedges using a soft mallet. Using a sharp knife, remove any excess tile adhesive, vacuum up any dust and wipe clean. Mix the Ardex FG8 grout for 2 minutes, always mixing powdered to water. Apply the grout to the tile floor and work into the joints using a rubber trowel. Allow 24 hours for the grout to set, 7 days to fully cure. Using a scraper, gently remove any excess grout from the tile surface before it dries. Using the Ardex Washboy system, wipe the tile surface with the damp, dense sponge, working diagonally across the tiles. Use minimal water to avoid water float, shade variation, efflorescence and shrinkage.